I think you are really going to love this one. We are in Niverville, and this home has been lived in so gently that it's basically brand new, even though it was built in 2023. It's a bi-level, so you get 2 bedrooms up. There's also 2 bathrooms. And with that bi-level, you get gorgeous windows in your basement. The part that I really love is that the landscaping, the fence, the deck, all the appliances are already here. So you get a like-new home without having to put out all that extra cash when you move in. The basement is unfinished, and it has a steel beam running through it, giving you the most flexibility when you're going to be building your future rooms down there, or maybe one large grand open space. And additionally, it's also built on piles, so you know that this home is incredibly solid. This home is in the neighborhood of the Highlands, which is right by the golf course in Niverville. This community is one of the fastest growing communities in Manitoba. It's full of amazing, cute local shops, and there's also larger chains that are moving in. There's also a fantastic community center. You're only 20 minutes from the perimeter in Winnipeg, so if you need to commute, it's an easy drive. If you've been looking for just the right home for you, I think this could be the one, and I would love to show it to you.